Hey, this is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get your hands on my complete real estate investing standard operating procedure. This is the exact procedures that we use in my real estate business, where we're actually investing in 6 different markets. On average, we close between 8 to 12 deals a month, and we have over 10 to 15,000 cold calls, as well as 15 virtual assistants working in my business at any given time. Now, you're going to get the complete standard operating procedures that I use to train all the members in my business, my virtual assistants, and my team members. It's going to be over 200 pages of exactly how to do instructions. You're going to learn exactly how we're working with Mojo Dollar in my business. You're going to learn how we add contracts into Mojo Dollars. You're going to learn how we add scripts into Mojo Dollars. You're going to learn how we do the Mojo Dollar lookup. You're going to learn exactly how we add information into IQ Dial, how we import leads through IQ Dial. You're going to also learn how we send text messages out. You're going to learn how we use CallRail. You're going to learn how we text using CallRail in my real estate business. You're going to learn how we skip trace using Been Verified. You're going to learn how we skip trace properties, how we skip trace social sites, how we skip trace emails, and so on. You're going to learn exactly how we're marketing through Meetup, how we're marketing through Facebook, all the details of exactly how we're doing it in my real estate investing business. You're going to also get step-by-step instructions of how we're using Deal Machine app, how we're using Data Zap to do skip tracing, how we're using Active Campaign to do follow-up, how we're using CallFire to do text message blasts and also voice message blasts. You're going to also learn how we're actually taking Podio to the next level and implementing it through our real estate business the way we do it in our business. So you're going to get all these step-by-step instructions. It includes the videos that teaches my actual VAs how to do it, all the step-by-step screenshots delivered directly to you on a silver platter. All you have to do is leave a comment below, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get your hands on my complete real estate investing standard operating procedure 100% free. That's right, it's going to be 100% free. Just leave your comment below and I'll tell you exactly how you can get your hands on it. Bye-bye.